I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com. Every night we watch the same shows, Fast Money and Mad Money, and we want to use those ideas to grow our money. Well, good trading takes more than just pushing the buy button every morning to get the stocks you saw on TV last night into your portfolio. I'm here to help you make money on these 3 stocks I saw on TV. Shouldn't surprise you that the first stock we're going to talk about is Apple. Company reported earnings after hours. Their iPhone sales were better than expected. You can see what happened to the stock here, 1-minute chart. So you can look for upgrades tomorrow, maybe some bumped up price targets, etc., etc., etc. But let's just look at this technically. The stock has failed at the 200-day moving average the last couple times that it's hit there. That's where it is tomorrow. Right here. Probably, maybe, might, kind of, could be going to open up above the 200-day moving average. But this is a time when you can when it's just kind of a reflexive sell. I think traders are going to be taking profits here. What the stock's going to do long term, you know what? As a tip of the hat to all you Appleonians, sure, it's going to go up to a new high, right? Because everybody's had it wrong about Apple all along. This is the best company in the world. It's, oh my gosh, we're so lucky to have Apple on this planet. I say that kind of tongue-in-cheek because I have about 9 Apple products, all of which work fine, none of which I'm planning to replace anytime soon. But the point is, so the stock's above this 200-day moving average. We're probably going to get some more upside. I would say this, though. If you're long the stock, consider taking some profits into this selling. Why? Because everybody else is. That's why the stock is trading right here as opposed to 120. All these buyers are buying it from somebody. So let them be buying it from you tomorrow morning. At least sell some of your position, maybe all of it. But here's the thing. That's for those who already have the stock. If you're looking to buy the stock, wait a few days. It's not going to get away from you. Trust me, this ain't going to go up to 115. It's not going anywhere without you, okay? But just wait, let the stock calm down. It may move up a little bit more. If it moves up to 105, maybe 107, you're going to think I'm the biggest moron in the world. You might be right, you might be wrong, I might be crazy. But I'm just saying you can't buy a stock that's up 7, 8%. In one day. You just really, really need to wait on this. Okay, Twitter, well, their revenues or their ad revenues are less than expected. As it turns out, there's not many folks looking to advertise on Twitter. Why that would be, golly gee, I don't know. You can check my Twitter feed to see all the tweets that I make. This stock is down quite a bit. You're probably going to see Dorsey doing some censoring of anybody who writes basically anything that he disagrees with. But here's something that he would agree with. Tomorrow, the stock has gapped down to right around the 50-day moving average. You can see, I'll call it $16. If the stock trades and stays above $16, I think you can own this stock. You can buy it, you could take it for a trade. Longer term, you know, I felt like Twitter was a bust since $50, just because to me, well, you hear how I talk. Do you really think 140 characters will do it for me? There's no news that I would see on Twitter that I couldn't wait until later to get, but that's just me. As you can see, I'm not a big Twitter guy, but I like this type of a trade. So the stock's down so much, you buy it, sell into the strength if it rallies up at all, but by no means would you want to own the stock if it's trading below 16. Okay, MBLY, the other huckster. So MBLY trades down today. Oh my gosh, it's down 8%. Looks like a disaster. I don't think so. I think this is a buying opportunity. So the agreement with Tesla is over. Nobody will really say why it ended. I'll tell you why it ended, because that's a way for Tesla to kind of, without saying anything, kind of shift blame for all the the guy watching Harry Potter and driving under a truck at the same time, truck one. It's a way for them to shift blame. to somebody else. Lord knows, Elon Musk, he's the man. Just ask him. He'll tell you. So I think it's a great opportunity to buy Mobileye. They've got deals with other car companies that actually have a better volume than Tesla. Buy it. 50-day moving average, that's support. Did I say buy it? That's the final word. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, Stock Market Mentor. I'll see you next time.